Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I'm making Suji Custard Cake in an appe pan. These mini cakes are colorful, fun to make and ideal for evening tea or kids' lunchbox. Let's start the recipe. First take a blender, add half cup Suji or Semolina, 1/4 cup sugar. Blend and pour into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons oil, half cup milk. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Resting Suji batter improves softness. Now sieve 2 tablespoons custard powder, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons milk and mix smoothly. Add 1 to 2 drops yellow food color and mix again. Take 2 tablespoons tutti frutti, add 1 teaspoon flour, mix well. And combine with the batter. Grease oil in an appe pan. Now pour batter into each cavity. Do not overfill appe cavities. And spread a little tutti frutti on top. Suji is easy to digest. Homemade cakes contain less oil. Small portion help portion control. A light dessert for tea time. Place the appe pan over a frying pan. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium-low heat. Once cooked, remove and cool slightly before serving. Custard powder adds flavor and soft texture. Suji cakes are lighter than regular flour cakes. Mini cakes cook faster and evenly. Cook only on medium-low heat. Always cover while cooking for even heat. Your mini Suji custard cake is soft, colorful and delicious. Serve warm or at room temperature. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy mini cake recipes.